Hello and welcome back. Guess what today's theme is? Cookies. Yes, yummy. Alright, so first idea comes from Sean and Brendan Haynes. They would like us to mash up a unicorn and a cookie. Then the next idea is from Kristin Quackenbush. She'd like us to mash up an Oreo cookie and a wolf. How exciting is that? I can't wait. Alright, I'll turn on my projector and we'll start drawing. Alright, keep in mind to not erase, because everything you create will be perfect and beautiful all the time. And also, I draw really fast. If you need to pause the video, please do so. And lastly, you don't have to draw exactly how I'm illustrating this. Alright, so let's draw the unicorn cookie. The first thing we need to draw will be the horn. So draw a cone-like shape like this. This doesn't have to be perfect. Then add some stripes if you'd like for the unicorn. Alright, the next thing we need to draw will be some ears. So draw 2 ears like this. Add some details if you'd like. Alright, then let's draw the horse or the unicorn. Oops, yeah, unicorn. Then let's draw a nice neck. There you go. Then let's add one big eye and a little one, smaller one. Then add 2 letter C's inside, then fill them in for the pupils. 1 C, another C, then fill them in. All my characters are happy. Let's make this unicorn smile and add some nostrils. There you go. Then let's add some amazing mane. So add this wave-like shape. There's that mythical unicorn. Alright, now let's draw the shape of the cookie. So draw a not so perfect circle. That was fun to do. You can make this whatever kind of cookie you'd like. I'll add some chocolate chips. You can fill the chips later on. 15 is my favorite number, as most of you know. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There you go. Now let's add some legs. 1, 2, now the front ones, 3, 4. If you want, you can add some hooves. 3, 4. Last detail, if you'd like, add a tail. You know what's going to be amazing? It's if you add color to your unicorn cookie. I'm sure it will look even better than the black and white version we just created. I will mail this to Sean and Brendan. Okay, the next drawing, my Sharpie bleeds, so I'm going to have a non-marker dot sheet of paper. It's going to be for Kristin's Oreo Wolf. Alright, so let's think of the way how to draw a wolf. This is my version. Add sort of like a jagged like ear. So add this triangular shape that's not so perfect. Make it kind of squiggly. It's really fun to do. Then draw part of the head, same shape. Draw a pointy nose. Alright. Give this a big smile. And add that kind of not so perfect line. Then add the neck. This is super fun. Let's add some sharp teeth. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not a surprise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. Then let's add one big eye and a little one. And if you want, let's make it look this way. Draw a smaller circle and even a tiny one, then fill it in. Smaller circle and a tiny one, fill it in. Okay, let's add another pointy ear. So I love drawing this to make it not so perfect. There you go. Alright, now there's the wolf part. Then let's draw the Oreo portion. I'll extend the neck, So add another circle. Okay. And after that, add another circle. This is for the yummy white filling. Not done. Then add another circle. Again, add color later on. If you want, even though we're not supposed to add some product names, I'll add Oreo, okay, to make it Oreo-like. And if you want, you can add some more details on the cookie. Okay, let's give this wolf a long, cool tail. Okay, again, my lines are not that perfect. Let's add one leg here, another one here, another one here, and another one there if you want some paw details. Okay, signing it, and we are done. Okay, I'm going to turn off my projector. So, Kristin, Brendan, and Sean, please email me your address at smileyb@vatican.com, and I will mail you your signed mashups. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that bell icon, and so you'll know when the next episode is available. And lastly, I hope you had fun, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you.